G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I recently did a live video and somebody requested that I do the other secret menu item on the KFC app. Now I've already done 2 of them and there was one left that I hadn't done, so how about we grab that one and see what it's like. Right, for starters we need to get into the app. Yeah, come on brother. Yeah, get in there. Okay, start my order. Come on, hurry up, mate. I'm starving. I'm fanging. Right, now remember, you just drag it down and hopefully, there we go, secret menu pops up. And oh, have a look. There's only 2 left. They've taken one of them off. But luckily the one that I wanted is still here. That one there. Not too sure what it's called because I can't read backwards. It's called a Zinger Chipster. Alrighty, well, how about we grab a Zinger Chipster and, well, we'll see what it's like. Let's do it. Alrighty, well, here I go with the Zinger Chipster. Mate, it's not very impressive size, especially at $6.95, but it might have some awesome toppings. Let's have a sus. KFC Zinger Twister. KFC Zinger Twister. Alright. Here we go. Oh boy, that's quite a slab. So what do we get on this thing? Well, Alright, so what do we get on this? So we got a few juicy Zinger fillets, some fresh lettuce, cheese, golden chips, all drizzled with a supercharged sauce and wrapped up in a warm tortilla. Now this actually looks like something that a cat would have maybe thrown up at some stage. It doesn't exactly look very appetizing, but you know what? That's why you'd never open up your food, because you really don't want to see what it actually looks like on the inside. So anyway, let's wrap this bad boy back up. And let's give this a go. Now, they said it was Zinger, but it didn't look like Zinger. Oh yeah, that's Zinger. It looks like the original recipe. And sort of half tastes like it too. Very strange. Anyway, let's dive on in. Yeah. Oh. Well, that first bite, all I got was some spiciness of that Zinger fillet. I could taste a little bit of that supercharged sauce, although I couldn't taste anything like cheese, and then afterwards I sort of got a bit of the chips, with a slight crunch of lettuce in there as well. It's, well, I think I need to go again because that first bite, I mean, you're just so excited to have some KFC in your hands that you sort of just like lose control and just let your emotions take over. But now that's happened, let's go for the second and more valuable bite. Come at me. The chips in this really add sort of a grainy carbohydrateness about this thing, and well, for me it tastes fairly good. I mean, I'm not raving about it. It's not exactly really exciting, but it's still something a little bit different. And well, I mean, if you're into these sorts of things, you might enjoy it. I would prefer it with the original recipe, of course, as I do with all KFC. Actually, I was amazed that the last time I did that Zinger triple stacker, everyone was saying that they prefer the Zinger coating over the original spices and everything. And I was like, what is wrong with these people? Hot and spicy Zinger's got nothing on original recipe. And if you agree, let me know down below, because I know there's a lot of you out there that don't. But anyway, this is, it's okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. Would I be going back for another one though? Well, I probably would, although at $6.95, mate, I could get something else, probably even bigger and better than that. But running through the app, I mean, there's hardly anything on there that's $6.95. This is one of the cheaper things that there is. Oh, here's one though, $6. What one's that? Oh, one of their burgers. But yeah, there's not much on there that's less than $6.95. Anyway, this Zinger Chipster, what would I give it out of 10? Well, flavour-wise, there's nothing really special about it. It's a little bit as your father. And, well, you know, I've eaten plenty of other things. It's like you just got a big box of stuff and then was just going hell for leather, just going down. That's basically what this is. It does have that spicy kick to it, and it's got a piece of lettuce. There's a health group right there. It's a good mix of carbs and proteins as well. There's quite a few different ones in there. I would have liked some onion on this actually, just maybe some raw or cooked, just to crunch it up and give it a nicer flavour. But I don't know if KFC even does onions. I've only had half of it and I'm still feeling half satisfied, so it should probably do the job all right. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Zinger Chipster, I'm giving it a 6.7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 out of 10. It's alright. I mean, there's nothing to write home about. It's nothing special. I'm not doing cartwheels. I'm not honking the horn saying yippee. And I'm not sure I'd be rushing back for another one, but it tastes alright, I guess. And if you're into KFC and you're into the Zinger, which I know a lot of you are, then you might really like this and find it something that you would like to digest. Well, there's a Zinger Chipster from the KFC app. It's the only one that I hadn't done, and well, there's none left. I'm going to have to just keep checking back to see if there's anything new popping up on that app that's in the secret menu range, or just some new item anyway. I just like checking in there and getting my eyes full of some good 11 secret herbs and spices sometimes. And if you do decide to go in and try one, just tell them Greg sent you. They'll know for sure what you mean. Well, time to finish this bad boy off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review